cheese stick. Take cream cheese. Now I'm going to take 1 cup of powdered sugar. And sniff it. Now we mix into 2. Next we have to cool it. Cool it. Come on. Get it. Oh no. The pumpkin. Oopsie. Spoon of vanilla. Now we're gonna add a teaspoon of cinnamon. A spoon of cloves. Cloves. Don't sniff it. Add a teaspoon of pumpkin spice. Put that in here. Now we mix. Mix it up. Once it's done mixing, put in the bowl and serve it with graham crackers. It's time to enjoy. Delicious. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe.